my name is Arjun. My school name is Akshara Vagdev International School. I study in class PP2 Daffodils. Today I want to share some Diwali facts for you. Diwali is one of the biggest festival which is celebrated across India. Diwali is the celebration of light. At this day, Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. Every year at Diwali, the month of October and November, we celebrate Diwali. And every year on Diwali, we decorate our house with lights and rangoli and diyas. And we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Every year, children burst fireworks on Diwali. Happy Diwali! Thank you! Here's some Diwali facts for you. Diwali is India's biggest festival. Diwali is the festival of light. Every year on this day, Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. Every year on Diwali, we decorate our house with lights, diyas and rangolis. And children burn firecrackers and eat sweets and bring joy and happiness to everyone. Happy Diwali! Thank you!
Good morning everyone. My name is M. Sai Pranita. I am studying class 4B in Akshara Vagdevi International School. I wish my respected teachers and elders a very happy Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. People of various religions celebrate Diwali. This also indicates the victory of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. There are bright lights all over the whole country during Diwali. In my speech of Diwali, I am going to tell about how we will celebrate Diwali without polluting the environment. The essence of Diwali is lighting lamps. Make mud diyas and fill them with ghee or mustard oils and use cotton wicks to light these lamps. We can also use LED lights to decorate our homes. If we love the noise of crackers, why don't we try a new method? Take a bunch of balloons and blow it up in the sky. They make crunchy sounds. This will not pollute the environment. The another way to celebrate Diwali without pollution is go green this Diwali. There are green crackers available which can be bought. These cause very less pollution and are better than polluting crackers. Green crackers are eco-friendly crackers and safe for the environment. Let us be responsible and use green crackers this Diwali. Wish you all a very happy, safe and pollution-free Diwali. Thank you all.
तेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
सजनी राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजी फुलवारी रे, साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे। वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा पनियारी रे, शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे। मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
Good morning everyone, my name is Shrestha. Today I am going to tell about Diwali. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is the Hindu festival of lights which is celebrated by Indians all over the globe. Deepavali, which translates as a row of lights, is one of the most significant of all Hindu festivals and is celebrated over a period of 5 days. It is observed on the 15th day of the month of Kartika and in accordance with the Hindu lunar calendar. This month is considered the holiest. Significance of Deepavali festival. One of the most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Mythological stories of Diwali.
Diwali is probably the favorite festival for kids. It gives a chance to celebrate their time with crackers. Diwali falls on the last day of Aswayuja, which normally comes during the month of November. There are many stories associated with Diwali. It is said that Rama has returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana on the day of Diwali. People also relate Diwali to the defeat of Bali Chakravarti by the Vishnu avatar called Vamana. But the most popular and much interesting is the episode of Narakasura. Narakasura was born to Varaha, an avatar of Vishnu and goddess Earth. As he was born with the qualities of a demon, goddess Earth feared that he might be killed by Vishnu in future. So she pleaded Vishnu not to kill Narakasura at any cost. Vishnu thought for a while and said, "Okay, I will grant a boon, except you. No one can kill Narakasura." Goddess Earth was so happy to hear this. She was confident that she would never kill her son. As the days passed by, Narakasura grew powerful. Even the Indra couldn't defeat Narakasura. They all went to Lord Vishnu to protect them from Narakasura. Lord Vishnu assures them that the end is near for Narakasura. Soon, Lord Vishnu took the form of Sri Krishna and Goddess Earth was born as Satyabhama. Meanwhile, Narakasura continued his evil rule. He tormented the rishis and challenged the kings. On one such occasion, he had to face Sri Krishna himself. Sri Krishna knew that the death of Narakasura was in the hands of Goddess Earth, so he did not stop Satyabhama. When she wished to see the battle between Krishna and Narakasura started. They both fought fiercely. After a while, Narakasura was able to make Sri Krishna unconscious with one of his weapons. Then Satyabhama herself fought with Narakasura. She courageously faced him and aimed her arrows at him. At last, Narakasura has fallen for the arrows of Satyabhama. That day was called Naraka Chaturdasi, and people celebrated the occasion with lamps and crackers on the next day, which is Diwali. Diwali itself means a row of lamps. Diwali was celebrated not just by Hindus, Jains and Sikhs too observe Diwali for their own reasons. The last Tirthankara of Jains, Vardhamana Mahavira, has attained Nirvana on this very day. People also worship goddess Lakshmi on this day. She is believed to visit the house of her devotees on this day. In fact, another name for Diwali is Lakshmi Puja. The Marwadis give a lot of importance to Lakshmi Puja on this day, and their new year in fact starts with Diwali. Everyone wakes up early on the day of Diwali, does a head bath, wears new clothes, spend the day with delicious sweets, pray for goddess Lakshmi, lights the lamps at the sunset, and starts firing the crackers. The dark night of Amavas glows brightly with the lamps lit on Diwali. The fireworks of Diwali is said to decrease the chill of the winter and destroy the insects that flourish at that time. As the night gets darker and the crackers calm down, children go to their beds in a happy mood. That stays until the next Diwali.
Diwali safety tips, do's and do nots. Do nots. Never experiment with crackers. Do not leave children unattended while bursting crackers. Do not wear nylon clothes as they catch fire quickly. Do not burn crackers near electric poles and wires. Do not keep your face too close to the crackers while lighting it. Do's. Keep a bucket of water beside you while bursting crackers. Ensure that you have a first aid kit. Ignite crackers in outdoor areas. Immerse crackers in a bucket of water before disposing. Keep insects indoor with the doors and windows shut. I wish you a happy Diwali again. Thank you.
Happy Diwali. Let's celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Go green this Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Let's celebrate this Diwali by conserving natural resources.
Happy Diwali. Have a safe and pollution-free Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Go green this Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Let's celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Let's celebrate Diwali by conserving natural resources.
Happy Diwali. Let's have a safe and pollution-free Diwali.